A bag contains 8 red balls and some white balls, all of the same size. If the probability of drawing at random a white ball from the bag is half the probability of drawing a red ball, find the numbers of white balls in the bag. Okay, look at that question. That question is coming from a topic known as probability. Okay, a bag contains 8 red balls. So the numbers of red ball is what? 8. Okay, and some white balls. We don't know the numbers of white balls. Do you understand? So let us represent the numbers of white balls as x. So the numbers of white ball, let it be x. Okay, so from the question, we are given that the probability of drawing at random a white ball from the bag is half the probability of drawing a red ball from the bag. Now, listen. The probability of drawing a white ball, okay? Let's represent W as white. Probability of drawing a white ball from the bag equals to half. Half is what? 1/2. 1/2 of the probability of drawing a red ball from the bag. So we are asked to calculate the numbers of white ball. So we are looking for the numbers of white ball. So we are looking for x. Since we've already represented the numbers of white ball as x, we are looking for the value of x. Do you know? Now listen. Let us first determine the expression for the probability of white ball and the expression for the probability of red ball. Now, the total numbers of ball, listen. Total numbers of ball that is present in the basket will be the sum of the numbers of red ball and the numbers of white ball. Do you know? So I'm going to have 8 plus x. That's the total numbers of ball that is present in the basket. Now, the probability of red ball will be equals to the numbers of red ball all over the total numbers of ball. Are you getting it? So the numbers of red ball is what? 8. So I'm going to have 8 all over the total numbers of ball is what? 8 plus x. Do you understand? Okay. The probability of white ball, please pay attention. The probability of white ball will be equals to the numbers of white ball that is present inside the basket all over the total numbers of ball. Okay. Numbers of white ball that is present is what? We've already represented this as x. So I'm going to have x all over total numbers of ball is what? 8 plus x. Okay. Now, from this equation, the probability of white ball is half of the probability of red ball. So, the probability of white ball. Don't forget that. Please pay attention. The solution to this question lies in this statement. You understand? This statement is the probability of white ball equals to half of the probability of red ball. And we have already written an expression for the probability of white ball. So, the expression for the probability of white ball is what? X over 8 plus x. So I'm going to have x all over 8 plus x is equals to 1/2 of the probability of red ball. The expression for probability of red ball is what? 8 over 8 plus x. So I'm going to have equals to 1/2 multiplied by 8 over 8 plus x. Do you understand? Okay, having gotten to this point, please pay attention. Having gotten to this point, 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So I'm going to have x all over 8 plus x is equals to 4 all over 8 plus x. If you compare both sides of the equation, the value of x is equals to 4. Hello, do you understand? Like if you compare both sides of the equation, x over 8 plus x is equals to 4 over 8 plus x. The denominator are the same. That means that the numerator are the same. Do you understand? So x equals to 4. Now, so therefore, the numbers of white ball that is present inside the basket is 4. Do you understand? Okay, so that is the solution to that question.
To watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section. Okay, see you in the next class.